Welcome. I am Brother Juan. It is good to be live this evening. Listen, I won't keep you long, but I have something that I want to share coming up October 2nd, 2023. We will officially launch TaxPro Academy. Now, I've got to be perfectly honest. I have been horrible, horrible at promoting this, but the time is upon us. And I'm looking forward to that. And then my unpreparedness, procrastination, whatever you want to call it, is to your advantage because we are giving deep discounts for the next week so that we can get as many people signed up as possible, right? So just want to share a few things about you. My journey into tax preparation was kind of interesting. It was my desire to open up an accounting firm for myself. That's why I went and got a master's in accounting and financial management. However, life happens. Things kind of become derailed, or, you could say that there were other priorities that came about. And so, however you want to put it, life took its toll. And then I would say the blessing of the Lord led me to an opportunity to open up a virtual tax franchise. And so that was a great opportunity to propel me into the tax industry. And so I'm very grateful for that opportunity because it is continuing to pay off. One thing that I am concerned about, one thing that I like to promote, one thing that is dear to my heart is to help entrepreneurs. And one way to do that is to offer opportunities for people to enter the tax industry and become a tax preparer. This year, I am actually doing a school. TaxPro Academy is going to be 7 weeks, 14 sessions total. They're going to be held Monday and Wednesday evening at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. If you cannot make it live, they will be recorded. So when you purchase this course, you will get immediate access to the course area where all of the replays and other materials will be housed. I am just looking forward to this opportunity to just share a little bit about my tax knowledge, my experience, and perhaps open the door for some of you who are interested in becoming a tax preparer, even if you haven't thought about it before, even if you don't know a thing about taxes. Also, this course is good for those who are entrepreneurs who just want to learn some more information about taxes. Maybe you want to do your own and you say, Brother Juan, why would you do that? Well, everyone doesn't want to pay for professional tax services. Some people do it because they don't want to do their taxes. So even if you are just looking to do your taxes yourself, I think it behooves you, using the King James English, it behooves you to learn about taxes so that you can be better prepared to do your own taxes if that's what you choose to do, especially if you are an entrepreneur. So again, that's how my journey kind of just led into this, and it blossomed, of course, the Next Step Financial Partners. And of course, we go by Next Step Bookkeeping and Tax is a DBA of Next Step Financial Partners. And we are celebrating our 4-year anniversary this month in September. And again, I've been bad about promoting that. So that's why I'm giving these deep discounts, right? So if you're on my email list, check your email in the morning and use that coupon. If you're not on my email list, well, I encourage you to visit this link. We're going to put it in the uh, comment section. If you're on my personal Facebook page, I'll have to do that later. My streaming software app doesn't let me post directly to my personal page when I click that. Also, you can also visit, once we are done, you can visit brotherjuan.me for my website, my coaching website, brotherjuan.me. Just click on the banner for TaxPro Academy. It'll take you right to the page. And when you have the opportunity, you want to use the coupon TaxPro 23 at checkout. You'll have to go to checkout to find out what that discount is, as well as the price. I encourage you to do so. And again, brotherjuan.me, just click on the banner for TaxPro Academy, or you can look in the comments for the direct link to the sales page. And what we have when you check out, you can use TaxPro 23 at checkout for that discount. We're going to also put that in the chat. So those of you who are looking at the chat, you have a direct copy of the coupon, and also I'm going to drop a direct link to the shopping cart for the coupon. Again, if you're on my personal Facebook page, I would have to do that later because it doesn't let me post directly to that page. All right, so a little bit about the Tax Pro Academy. Again, starting October 22nd, 2023. Whether you, again, are an entrepreneur and you want to learn about taxes, or if you're interested in exploring the opportunity to become a tax professional, those who are going to be working underneath me, you have to do this class. And if you are interested in working underneath me, if you make that decision, then hopefully you will do the class as well, as we are going to be live. Right. So a little bit about the class in these 14 sessions over 3 weeks. Let's see if we can enlarge that a little bit there, because it's kind of small on the screen, or I can move my big head over here as well. So again, the live sessions are going to be held Monday and Wednesday starting October 2nd, 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. They are going to be recorded. So if you can't be there live and you purchase the course, you will be able to see the replay. First session, we're going to talk about ethics. Yeah, ethics are very important if you're doing taxes, because there are regulations, standards, and responsibilities as a tax professional who practices before the IRS. It's very important that we understand that. One of the common things that I see are people talking about being a certified tax professional. Well, there's no such thing as a certified tax professional. And actually, Circular 230 talks about using that language as a tax professional. It's against Circular 230. We're going to talk about filing status. Filing status is not something that you choose. It is something that you qualify for. And I'm speaking of head of household. It's not something you choose. It's something that you have to qualify for. Right. And so we're going to be talking about filing status on the second session. On the third session, we're going to be talking about credits, both refundable credits, non-refundable credits, and the qualifications to receive them. As professional tax preparers, we have a due diligence requirement or requirements, and we're going to talk about that, especially the paid preparers due diligence checklist. We're going to go over that line by line so that you are familiar with it and the expectations. So that's all I'm going to say about that right now. Session 5, we're going to talk about income. Right? Provide an overview of the importance of Form W-4. That has tripped up a lot of people this past tax season because it's really the first tax season where people felt the impact of it. One of the purposes of it is for us to owe zero at the end of the tax year. So if you are used to getting a credit, you might want to adjust that W-4 if you're used to getting a refund, I should say. You might want to adjust that W-4 so that you can do that, because if you just do what is standard, then it's only going to take out enough to cover your tax liability and not any extra. So that has tripped a lot of people up this past tax season. Then session 6, we're going to talk about Schedule A, itemized deductions, just so that you are familiar with it. The 7th session, we're going to talk about other taxable income from Schedule 1. Session 8, we're going to talk about adjustments to income, the difference between your gross income and adjusted gross income, also known as AGI. That is the adjustments to income. Also on Schedule 1. In Session 9, we're going to talk about Schedules B and D, which cover interest and capital gains and losses, right? Session 10, Schedule C, all you entrepreneurs, that's what we're going to be talking about. So also going over that, you as an independent contractor being self-employed, you'll have the opportunity to learn about that Schedule C and how it can even benefit you as a 1099 independent contractor. Yes. Session 7, we're going to talk a little bit more about Schedule C and also record reconstruction. Record reconstruction is very important. Session 12, we're going to talk about Schedule E, reporting income and loss from rental property, real estate, royalties, partnerships, S corps, estates, and trusts. Right. So also session 13, we're going to talk about marketing for your tax preparation business. And then session 7, we're going to talk, session 14, week 7, we're going to talk about customer service and some best practices for that. All right. And also by signing up, you get discounts to some of my other courses as well. So I'll probably just offer a package deal for that. If you graduate this class and this course, for a package deal on some of my other courses, especially one that's coming up soon, the website course. And so again, TaxPro Academy, you can visit brotherjuan.me, TaxPro Academy, to sign up for that. And again, that discount code is TaxPro23. TaxPro23. If you look in the comment sections, there is a direct link to the sales page. There is also a direct link to the sales page and a direct link to the shopping cart, the checkout page. And so again, I just want to afford people the opportunity. That was a blessing to me. If you want to start your own tax preparation business, you can walk alongside of me and do that. So this is a great opportunity. It is a low barrier to entry. It doesn't cost a lot, right? It costs a very minimal investment. As far as cash, it will take some investment of your time. Your own tax preparation business is something that you can build on year after year and that you can continue to do even through retirement, right? And so, again, you want to hop on that, brotherjuan.me. And I'm still on a mission in 2023 to help 100 entrepreneurs along their journey. And this is one way that I'm doing that. And so I look forward to that. Again, we're going to start TaxPro Academy October 2nd, 2023. It's going to be Monday and Wednesday for 7 weeks at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. And y'all have a blessed evening. Feel free to comment in the comments. I'll try to get back to those as soon as possible. And y'all have a good evening.